Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect this Lenovo earbuds to your MacBook. So first of all, you have to charge them at least to the 50%. At the bottom you can find the input for the cable and put them inside the case. Next, open this case and take them out of this. Right now you will find this indicator on the left earbud and it's blinking, so it means that the pairing mode is enabled and our earbuds will be visible to other devices. So we have to simply go for the settings, we have to go for the Bluetooth, then turn it on with the switcher and just take a look on nearby devices. There is our Lenovo earbuds, so click connect. And as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.